Alright, welcome back everyone. In this video I am going to teach you about the grep command in Linux or Unix based system. So if I see the main short page of grep command, so it says it is used to print lines matching a specific pattern. So the grep command is used to find information that we want in a specific file, or the parameter that we pass. So here in the current directory I have two text files, test2.txt and test.txt. so in the test.txt I have some letters: a quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. So let's say I want to find out the let's say the lazy word in this file. So for that all you need is just type grep, and I want to find the lazy world and the test.txt file. So it did find the lazy world. So if you enter the world that does not exist in the file, it will return nothing. So if it finds that, it will return. And if you want to find the line number, all you need is pass the tag n flag and hit enter. As you can see, it did find that lazy world and the line number 8. So if I cat the test.txt, it is right here. So line number 8. So you can find the target word in all files as well. So currently I have just two files. Let's find something in all of them. So for that you can use the tag let's say I want to find the word, and I want to find it in all of the files that are in the current directory. So if I hit enter, it found the in the test.txt file, and let's see the line number of that. So I will pass tag n for that, and it found that at line number 7, and the test2.txt don't have the word. So let's add to that and see if it can find it over there as well. So it has test1, test2 and test3. So let's add the word, and I will type the same again, and as you can see it did find in the line number 2 the word, and line number 7 and the word. So you can find a specific word based on the specific pattern that you pass in a specific file. Now using grep you can return the line below and line above the specific word as well. So let's try the previous one, which is lazy in the test.txt file. I did return that. So now let's return the previous and after word. So for that all you need is to pass tag and then c and the number of lines that you want. So if I hit enter, as you can see, urda and lazy dog. So it did return the previous words and after words. So after the lazy we have just one word, dog. So it does not it can't return anything after that. So let's try this one. So it will return two words. So if I type the right here, as you can see, jumps over the and lazy dog. So it returns two lines before the target word and two lines after the target word. So it helps you where that specific file is, and the tag n will return the line number with where the target word is. So at line number 7, or it found it in 5 and 6 and 8 and 9. So we pass to see and display the previous two lines and after the target word two lines. Now just like wc command, you can pass this to other commands as well. As let's say I'm typing ls tag la, and here they are showing some information. So let's try to find this word and this result. So for that I will type ls tag la and pass this result to grep command, and I will search for 4096 and I will hit enter, and as you can see it did return the result and the line number. So let's pass tag n flag and tag n, it will return the line number 2 and 3. So line 2 and 3, and line number 1 is right here. So line 1, 2 and 3. So it did return these two lines. Let's try, we can try this one just to know how it works. So just copy this and I will paste right here, and it did return the line number 4, which is this one, and show highlights the word or targeted word. So you can pass the grep command the other command result to grep command, and it will find it out in that list. So let's find the Tauseed Zaman word, or let's find the test2.txt, and this result in it lies in the line 1 2 3 at line 4. So I'll pass this to ls tag la, and then uh, or of it we can say, and then we can say wildcard to this, and then grep, and let's say the line number, and then our target word, which is test2.txt, and it is we found this at line number 4, and it highlights the target word, which is test2.txt. For more information regarding grep command, we can check the main page of grep. As you can see, these are all other tools as well: grep, egrep, appgrep, rgrep, and all of them have the same uh, uh, job to find and print the target words and lines based on a specific pattern that we pass. So it matches the pattern and result that word in a specific file, or uh, the the result that we want to pass. So it has a lot of information in the main page of grep command. As you can see, tag x and tag y and tag c count, normal output. You can imply colors, file, so tag m, and a lot more. So check this out. And the basic usage is that I showed you in this video. So grep tag n for the number of lines, and tag c and the line number it accepts. So it will print before and after the line of the target word. So let's say I want to find the and before and after this, so I will pass this, and it is going to find it. So I pass 4, and I said 4.4 words before the target and after the target, so it displays this, and tag n displays the number of lines, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 and so on. So that is a grep command. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.